Do you want to learn how to add your own custom emoji in Discord? In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. So first, open up Discord and go over to one of your servers that you have created. Then on the bottom right, you're going to find this add emoji button. Press on it, this first one. Then this is a new feature that they have added. So you can press on this add emoji button over here. This is only going to be available for you if you're using it on desktop and not on mobile. It's currently not available on mobile, and I don't think they will add this feature on mobile anytime soon. Now, maybe you're wondering what I can add as an emoji. You can add either an image or a GIF. I'm going to go to Chrome. This is a great site to find GIFs. This is giphy.com. Let's say, for example, this is the one which I want to add as an emoji. I like this person here and I want to cut it out and add it as an emoji to my Discord server. In order to do it, I'm going to press on this download button in order to download this .gif file. If you've got an image and you want to remove the background of it and then add it to Discord, you can do that. You can go over to clipdrop.co/remove-background. This is a free background removal tool that you can use. Now the GIF, I'm going to go over to my Discord server and over here, press on this first icon, the emoji icon, and then press on add emoji. Now here is the GIF that we want to import. I'm going to press on it. Next, we're going to zoom in and position this perfectly in the middle. Zoom it a little bit out. On the top right, you're going to find the preview of how it will look like. I can change the name of this emoji to something like person A. Then you've got the option to upload it to some other server as well instead of your server. So you can press on it and it's going to give you a drop down. You can upload this to any of these other servers as well. They've all got 50 slots. So I'm going to upload it to my server, press on finish, and that's it. Now you have uploaded this emoji on your server. If you've got Nitro, either the basic or the pro version, you could use this emoji everywhere else. And that's it. That's how to add an emoji in Discord. I hope this video helped solve a problem. If it did, let me know with the like and comment. And on the right hand side, you can find more Discord related guides and fixes. See you there. Bye for now.